Odors from wastewater systems and sewers are a problem in many places. They are a nuisance for those who clean them and for workers, and can also pose a health risk. Particularly in spring and summer, the increased temperatures lead to increased outgassing of hydrogen sulfide. This means, especially in warmer countries, that the nuisance and health risk from outgassing sulfides is significantly increased. With VTA Calcoferrit, we are able to prevent the raw environment in which the gas is produced and thus also reduce the outgassing and formation of sulfides. Common odors can be a burden for various people. With VTA Calcoferrit, we actively control odors and can prevent corrosion damage to the structural infrastructure of the sewer system. VTA Calcoferrit also works without cost-intensive measurement